Insider's Guide to Publishing a Book. Are you looking to make your book cover stand out? Learn the key strategies for publishing design success. Number 1. Focus on visual appeal. Make your book cover visually captivating using bold colors and striking graphics. Number 2. Convey the book's tone and style. Let your cover reflect the essence of your book with fonts and images that resonate with the content. Number 3. Choose complementary design elements. Ensure your design choices align seamlessly with your book's themes for maximum impact. Number 4. Use bold, distinctive typography. Typography can make a statement. Choose fonts that enhance your book's genre and message. Number 5. Know the essential design elements. Master the art of combining visuals, typography, and colors to create an eye-catching book cover. Explore more about publishing design on our website.